Gatho cia mwanya mwirori wa Keo TV ni gukoro kinyitana ithwe mwambiri wa kiumia tariki 19 mweri ni wa Mugaa. Mwihoko wakwa wigutidia thayo ni njitagwo Irimwa Wanjiru menorengi wa studio turi na Sharon mwari wa Gicui ure wikaire metha ya utauri na njira ya cioko ngujite ogeni thiini wa mohoro maitu ma Keo gabiru thaa imwe na tukiambiriria ni ati muingi tauni ya Karatina ni ucungiririe mihango ya ukui kurugama thutha wa kugururungana na gutetia njuragano ya mwonjori umwe uria uraragirwo na njira ya kuhurwo rithathi giko kiria kurerikana kiratabanio ni afitha wa borithi ari murebi kurerikana mu borithi ucio aranjiririe aragerire ngero ino thutha wa ukorwo ati ni macokaniria na uria aragikorirwo akiuraga.
Tunataka justice ya George. Ni kijana mdogo ameajili watu wengi na from jana saa 5:30 hatujawahi ona either ni senator mbunge ama nani kwa hii Karatina town akielezea mambo ya huyo askari na mambo ya George mwenye aliuawa jana usiku.
Sisi tunataka haki ya mtoto wetu kwa sababu aliuawa kiunyama, kiusaliti, na sisi tunataka haki ya mtoto wetu.
Risasi tatu
sasa alipigwa risasi 3. Sisi ile kitu tunataka haki ya mtoto wetu.
As a family we are requesting for justice for our son because he has a family to support, he has a wife to support, and even us as parents we were depending on that son. That's what I would say.
Mimi naitwa Ann, Mama Caleb Nashiko. As the wife of George, I'm very disappointed for the act that happened last night. I can't believe that my husband is no more, and I'm seeking justice for him. He didn't deserve to be shot. Justice for my husband to prevail.
Na andũ ethĩ 10,337 kuma kaunti cia Nairobi, Kiambu na Kajiado ni magunikite na mbeca cia kumahura njeki gibiacara tabarĩri-inĩ ya Nyota iria kinyitio matũra-inĩ matiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. President William Ruto neranĩire mũbango ũyũ no gũthiĩ na mbere kuona o mũndũ arakorwo akĩamũkĩra ciringi 25,000.
Your Excellency, as governors, sisi tunaweza shirikiana na serikali kuu ili tuweze kutoa vijana wetu kutoka shida ambazo wako nazo. Ya kwanza ni hiyo maneno ya lisensi. Ya pili ni kutenga pesa ya kuongezea pesa ambazo zimepeanwa leo.
Kama kuna mtu hapa, Kanairo mko? Kuna Wakanairo hapa? Hiyo list nitapatiwa. Sisi tutahakikisha for the first year na ile ambayo inafuata ile biashara utaanzisha tuna waive all business permits. Business permits, licenses, hakuna kunyanyaswa na kanjo sasa ile umeingia kwa hii system.
Mheshimiwa Rais, nimekuwa nikikusikiza ukiwa encourage hawa vijana, kuwaambia vile tunaambiwa kwa Biblia that do not despise humble beginnings. Hawa vijana wanaanzia pale chini na hundi ya shilingi 50,000 ambaye the first phase watapata siku ya leo, na ni pesa ambazo ni za kuendesha biashara.
Mradi wa Nyota unaangazia vijana wetu ambao kwa sasa labda hawana training, labda hawana stakabadhi za masomo ya hali ya juu, lakini Mungu amewapatia maarifa ya kufanya biashara na kutengeneza utajiri kupitia hiyo talent Mungu amewapatia nayo ya biashara.
Hii program iwe ni program ya mtu kujituma. Sio lazima umjue mbunge ama governor ama chief ama mtu yeyote. Hii program ikuwe transparent, hii program ikuwe accountable, tuachane na brokers, tuachane na watu wa hapo katikati. We said this program must be transparent. This program must not be subject to patronage.
Na mucirithania wa igoti ria Naikuru niwe Julius Nangea niheanite mwerekera wa cira wa ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa gĩbũrũri rwa mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩruo NYS, na kũringana na Nangea akiugĩte aria makuruhanĩtio na cira ũyũ matinagikorwo magicokia ciũria kũringana na ũrĩa gũgũtanyĩtwo. Cira ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo ũgathikĩrĩrio tarĩki 26 mweri ũyũ tũrĩ.
All the respondents ambao tuliweza kuwaserve ile siku ya Disemba tulipowapatia, kufikia leo hakuna hata mmoja aliweza kurespond kuhusiana na yale mambo ambayo tulikuwa tumeweka mahali pale, na kwamba siku ya leo tunafurahia ya kwamba Justice Nangea katika wisdom yake imesema kwamba it was unopposed. Kwa hivyo ile conservative orders zilizuia County Government of Nakuru wasikuje katika MOU na NYS, it is in place. Na ya kwamba tarehe 26 Januari tutarudi hapa mahakamani ili kuweza kuangalia ile application tulikuwa tumefanya iweze kuendelea mbele.
Ya kwamba pesa inatolewa kwa ward zetu 55, hiyo pesa yote ichukuliwe bila kufuata sheria ama anything, ipatiwe NYS. Ati NYS sasa ndio watatengeneza barabara. Yaani sisi kazi yetu ni kwenda kupiga devolution, kupigania devolution, pesa ikuje, lakini pesa tunatoa tunapatiana nje kwa national government. Number 2, tukasema NYS have no machinery. Kwa hivyo ni watu wamepanga waende wakondeshe material machine kwa NYS wakuja wafanye. Hii mambo ya wizi hatutakubali.
Tunafurahia sana ya kwamba hii ndio ile hatua ambayo kila mmoja wetu katika kaunti ya Nakuru na katika taifa la Kenya tunastahili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba ile impunity imekuwa katika county government ya Nakuru tumeisimamisha.
So mvua inakuja April, raia wataanza kupiga makelele kwa sababu ya barabara. So mimi naomba governor saa hii na wale watu wote wako na ofisi yake watafute haraka waweke mabarabara zote kwa list, contractors wa apply. Na kama anataka kufanya ile ya hire of machinery, wacha afanye haya ya hapa. Okay? Kama anataka kuavoid ile alikuwa anasema 1.5 million, anataka kufanya 450, afanye 450,000 ya hapa. Matipa ziko hapa, watu wako na magreda, watu wako na petrol stations, watu wako na makwale ya maram. Wacha wapatiwe contract hire of machinery hapa, iende kazi one by one.
Na ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ yugĩte nĩ kwambia mũngũrũrio wa kũhinga thibitarĩ na iria irarĩhia motungata marĩa mabataire gũkorwo makĩrũgamĩrĩrwo nĩ SHA kana marĩa matabataire gũkorwo atĩ nĩ mararĩhwo. Mwandĩki mũkaru Mary Muthoni augĩte ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩkĩamũkĩra riboti nyingĩ cia ũrĩa thibitarĩ irĩ na mũkoroko mũnene.
The facilities that are co-charging, and especially on services that are free or services that are already paid for by SHA, must stop. And it is the high time that facilities displayed a charter of what they are offering in their institutions. I have seen patients sometimes go to a facility and the facility does not give information on what they are offering and what they are not offering. Sometimes you find a facility does not have lab services. Then they register the person and then they tell the person wewe enda ukapimwe hapo kwa hospitali nyingine. Therefore we must have it would be important that we have charters displayed in our facilities so that our patients or the citizens can know what exactly is being offered in facility X, Y, Z. Members of the public have a right to know who is offering what, from level 2 all the way to level 6 facilities. It has come to our attention that facilities, some of the facilities, because some are really good, but some people have decided to be counter-charging on SHA services, SHA that are catered, services that are catered by SHA. That you go to the facility, probably vaccination is free, you find somebody in a facility is asking for 100 shillings. It is wrong. And that is what we are saying, that such facilities should be put on notice, that we will send people to inspect so that we know who is cheating the members of the public. Please do not steal from the ill. Do not steal from the sick. I would rather you even do anything else, but don't steal from the sick. His Excellency the President and the government of Kenya is already rolling out the robust universal health coverage. And this includes the Social Health Authority, it includes Human Resources for Health. We are reforming KEMSA so that we are able to get a refill of drugs every now and then. We won't have mahospitali zinasema hakuna dawa.
Na ugendiri uthiite na mbere na kugacira makiria kuria kaunti ya Kilifi thutha wa guthie na mbere na kwamukira agendi kuma mbururi matiganite imwe yacio ari Poland na kuringana na ene mikawa marakiuga riu ni kuoya na agendi ani magicungiririe Kilifi kugia na uthio mweru.
Today we are very happy that we have a new group, the Polish Himalaya from Kikambala. This is a new group that is targeting the Polish market, and they're coming to Kilifi County. They've been touring our camp since the last 2 years, and we are seeing the numbers that are increasing. This is showing that our county government, Department of Tourism, is working. And also under the leadership of Mungaro, we are seeing things that are changing. So what we're saying is this: we are not only targeting the normal markets where we are used to Italians coming here, we're used to Germans coming here, but now we have the Polish. And the Polish group are different. This time they are the spenders. Look at our shops, they are buying. If you go, they are tipping. And this is the kind of crowd we are looking for. Kenya is changing. And under the leadership also of the president that is giving out free visas to the people, we are saying they are coming, the numbers are now increasing, and we are seeing employment. We are employing many people, and now even the guys, our suppliers, are happy that the money is coming in.
Na anyiti itemi matiganite na Kenya ni manyitanire ithenya-ini ria kunina ukia uria uri ganze. Mamwe ma maundu maria mareka ni gutigira ciana ni ciatonya thukuru na guteithiriria aria magumirwo ni ng'aragu. Na mamwe ma maundu maria mareka nigetha riu gutigira ciana ni kana maratumaga agacunga muhera maria maratumaga ciana nyingi itikae gugithie thukuru ni undu kuri na njogu nyingi mwena ucio.
Tuko na aina mingi za kesi za watoto, na haswa tuko na kesi zile za dhulma za watoto zinaendelea, na kesi zingine ambayo tuko nazo katika sehemu hizi ni kesi aina ya school dropout, yani watoto wengi kutoenda shule. Haswa hii sehemu ambayo tuko ya Ganze, hii ya Mlima Ndege, ni sehemu ambaye tunapata shida kwa sababu ya watoto wengi kutoenda shule. Wanatoka kutoenda shule kwa sababu ya mambo ya jangwa la njaa, na hakuna mvua ambaye imekuja siku karibu. Na pia tukifuata mvua, hii sehemu ni sehemu ambaye tunapata shida kubwa kwa sababu ya kuna uporomoko wa udongo. Unapata manyumba mingi zinaanguka na watoto wanakuwa na shida. So hata wakati kuna mvua tuko na emergency, na pia watoto wengi hapa wanakosa kwenda shule kwa sababu ya mambo ya ndovu. Tuko na shida ya ndovu. So unapata watoto wengi hawataenda shule kwa sababu wanaogopa hizo mandovu. Kwa wakati ambapo ndovu zikija, basi utapata watoto wengi wako nyumbani. Na pia hii sehemu kwa sababu ya umbali ya polisi, unapata polisi ambaye station iko karibu, iko upande ya Vitengeni kule juu. So unapata kuna dhulma za watoto, especially hizo za defilement. Unapata kuna unajisi ambayo inaripotiwa kila wakati katika ofisi zetu za watoto, na tunaweza kuzifuatilia kwa sababu ikiwa wazazi hawataenda kuripoti kule, basi kuna hiyo dhulma mingi kwa sababu ya ile umaskini ambayo iko hapa. Wazazi wengi hawapati ile hela ya kuweza kufika station. So ni kitu ambaye ni bora sana ungekuwa na station ama kuwe na post ya polisi hii sehemu, ili hizo dhulma ambapo zinapita hapa katika hii sehemu ziweze kuweza kurudi chini.
We are focused more on accessing resources from external. But we see that with this development, which is happening in any country, including Kenya, we as Kenyans also have the ability to support one another.
Nĩ ngatho ciana icio igicokaga thukuru na mũingĩ ũkĩgunĩka na gĩa kũrĩa na gĩa kũnyua. Ithuĩ reke tũkorwo tũgĩkunda maĩ nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Ũngĩkorwo na woni wĩgiĩ tabarĩra citũ, ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũmenyithia kũgerera ndũmĩrĩri nguhĩ kana WhatsApp. Namba itũ nĩ 0795 789804 0795789804 kana email itũ nĩyo info@kiheotv.co.ke. Mũtũrĩre ũrĩa tũratũra nĩ ũrĩ na mĩtangĩko na mathĩna maingĩ.
Maundu macio mekuo no ti mega kuringana na kiugo kia Ngai ti mega tondu kiugo kia Ngai kiugaga atiriri maundu maria mothe mekagirwo nduma-inĩ ĩrĩa nene muthenya ũmwe nĩ marĩguũrio na maigwo gacumbĩre andũ othe merore nake mũndũ ariugaga atiriri nyumba ya usiri ni nyumba mbaya. Yeah.
Ni nyumba tena gikeno.
Ndina gikeno.
Ukaigwa hau gatagati-inĩ rĩngĩ ari ho 2,000 peke yake rĩu ona ũngĩagakorwo nginya nĩ akinya nĩ gũtiga wĩra na nĩ kũhoya arahoya bia ya kũinũka.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya Shararũkũ gũka nĩ maũndũ ma mũciĩ tũkahithũrania kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ.
No mũhaka atumia mamarie. No mũhaka athuri metĩkĩre ũguo atĩ ũndũ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa matũmaga mũtumia aigue endetwo nĩ mũthuri wake rĩ to gũtĩkĩrwo kĩa ona gũthikĩrĩrio.
Na nĩguo ndũkanerire na uge
tarĩ korwo nĩ ndoĩ.
Shararũkũ ũkĩreherwo nĩ Wanjirũ wa Waithaka. Mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaburi 122 nĩ ndakenire rĩrĩa manjĩrire atĩrĩ nĩ tũthiĩ nyũmba-inĩ ya Jehova. O mũthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu Nairobi. Nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Ngai, mahoya.
Tunaomba upako wako na neema yako mahali hapa Bwana Yesu mwana wa Mungu. Tunakuja kinyume na kila kazi ya shetani,
kiugo kia Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Wacha nikuambie, hapa kuna agano. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. There is a covenant here. Na nimesema leo yule yote ameingia leo, yule ameingia mwaka huu kuna utukufu mpya, kuna nguvu mpya, kuna upako mpya.
Nĩ o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ o haha ceceni-inĩ ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Come on now. The Bible says that no weapon formed or fashioned against you shall prosper. If this is your confidence, I want you to dance like you never danced before.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagira ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre. O mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 kanyitane na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 kanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Gatho guthii na mbere na gutucagura twacokereria ororingi mubunge wa Ugenya niwe David Ochieng akiugite ari na mwihoko wa ati kuri handu hagakinya gutie gukorwo na uheani wa bursary kana scholarship na gukorwo na wigananu mathomo-ini ma kuma primary nginya university. Ochieng aritie hindi ya uheani wa bursary ya muigana wa shiringi milioni 8.6 akiuga akoretwo akiana bursary hatari na muthutukanio.
Mambo ya bursary, I pray that in my lifetime we will have to stop giving bursaries and scholarships. That in my lifetime there will be a president who will come. Kutakuwa na rais ambaye atakuja hapa mbele kama sio mimi, ambayo atatoa mambo ya bursary na scholarship. Wanafunzi wasome bure tu from primary school to the university. Tungependa hiyo. Because you can imagine what you have to go through. Every year bursary, scholarship, wengine hawapati. You know, in our constituency hapa Ugenya, the best we've done since 2013 is that we don't look at politics when we are doing mambo ya bursary. Utapata kwamba wala wamepata bursary is scholarship, some of them are my most staunch opponents hapa. Utapata wanapata because we don't look at politics when we are giving bursaries. But there are places where ukienda constituencies zingine utapata mtoto anapita mtihani vizuri, lakini anapata bursary based on who their parents support. So you can imagine what people go through. So you want this to be levelized. You want every kid to have the best they can have in education. You want to have every kid to have a level playing field in as far as access to quality education is concerned.
Muikariri giti kamiti-ini ya urimi bunge-ini niwe John Mutunga unyitanĩri na mũmbunge wa Imenti ya Mũhuro Ndagĩtarĩ Shadrack Mwiti na ambunge angĩ nĩ makumĩte kana nĩ maũkoretwo na gĩikaro kwarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ mĩario ĩrĩa ĩrarekereirio nĩ mũruna wao wa Gĩthũngũri Gathoni wa Mũcomba ciĩgiĩ arĩmi nĩ maũkorwo makĩrengwo ciringi 3 harĩ kilo ya macani makiuga nĩ maheni na kũringana nao marakiuga marĩ ta kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩyo kĩrĩa marenda nĩ kũrũmbũiya mũrĩmi nĩguo nake akorwo akiona faida.
We are here as 5 tea factories. We were upon invitation by the directors of the factories because they wanted clarity on a few issues that have been circulating in the social media and sometimes misrepresented in some media houses. These issues, as spoken by the honorable member for Githunguri, Gathoni wa Mũcomba, were not correct. They were all not factual. They were not backed on any existing law or any proposed law in the National Assembly or in Senate. Because the Senate bill that is being quoted as proposing 3 shillings and 85 cents per kilogram of tea to the farmer is erroneous, it is wrong, it is not there. If you calculate the cost, should we settle at the proposed level of levy, if we take what is already proposed, it would go amount to 86 cents. So, and this is what we've refused as the committee. The committee has made proposals which will come through the House, and the proposals will definitely not exceed 86 cents. Na tungetaka wakulima wa chai wajue, tungependa mmea wa chai ama mavuno kutoka kwa mmea wa chai uuzwe bei mzuri na ufaidi mkulima ndio aweze kukaa kwa soko kwa muda mrefu.
Tulialika MPs hawa hii region wakuja tukutane na directors. Tumeongea maneno yote ambaye walikuwa wanataka kusikia, na tukiwa na chairman wa committee ya agriculture huko parliament tumepata majibu, na vile vile ile inataka tupeleke huko kwa parliament tutafanya hivyo hivyo. Sisi tunaheshimu wakulima na nataka kuhakikisha sisi tutafanya kazi lolote mpaka mkulima akae vizuri.
Kwa hivyo tunaomba wakulima msikufe moyo, ile mambo tulikuwa tumesikia kwa radio na social media and what have you, tunaendelea kuongea na viongozi wetu na mambo yatakuwa sawa na yataendelea kuwa sawa. Tuendeleeni kulima chai na chai nzuri. 2 months and a half tulikuwa na CEO Bwana Mudhaura ambaye ni mtoto wetu kutoka Meru, na tunamshukuru kwa kazi ambayo amefanya, na hayo mambo tunajua ameenda on a terminal leave. Tunataka kuzunguza zaidi ndio tujue kama kuna kudhurumiwa, tutaitana tena ndiposa kama directors tuongee, sababu mmoja wetu astahili kudhurumiwa sababu amefanya kazi na amefanya kazi vizuri.
Nĩngatho hau twakinya niho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩra gaturumo nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnengereria mwaro ũyũ Mũrĩndĩ Wanjirũ wanjeria kũrehera tabarĩra ya twarĩrie Sharuk mũthĩ makĩarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ mĩhang'o ya kũingĩria arutwo grade ya 10. Nĩngatho nĩ tũgũcemania nawe wona ciĩhanda thaa 3. Njĩtagwo Erimũ wa Wanjirũ, mũtwathĩri na njĩra ciko auma Sharon mwarĩ wa gĩcũhĩ gĩa na wĩroreri mwega wa tabarĩra ĩrĩa ĩrakĩrũmĩrĩra.
Ino ni